restart and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Network. Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click on Ethernet and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. In preferred DNS type 8888.
In alternate DNS type name 844. Press OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Ethernet. Click on Network. Select Private. Disable metered connection. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connection and run the troubleshoot. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click your Internet adapter and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. If that didn't work, right-click your Internet adapter and click on Uninstall Device. Click on Scan for hardware changes.